Back in the 1970s, I started working at a company called Acme Fishing Tool Company, and they were a Ford shop, a machine shop in Parkersburg, West Virginia, and they made cable tool drilling tools just like we do here at Ramp. But we dabbled a little bit in the mid-70s with cable tool button bits, and we could get the bit forgings made right there in-house and get a machine, got the buttonholes drilled in them. But one of the things that we were doing, we were using an air impact hammer to install the buttons, and just be a ratcheting noise and action, and it had a metal die that was pressing these buttons down in. Well, that's when we learned from a metallurgist what we were doing, because we had buttons cracking and breaking out in the field real quick. We were actually cracking and breaking the buttons before they even went out the door. We tried putting them in with soft yellow brass in that same impact fashion, same thing. So it's very important not to hit these things with metal objects. You know, if something hits it accidentally, that's just what happens. But you always try your best not to hit these on a metal surface. That's why we use a hydraulic press here at Ramp. It's steady, it's slow, and there's no impact to it. Our guide keeps the button straight, goes down into the hole straight, so there's no elongation from a crooked press. So like I said, it's been a big, long learning curve of how we build our bits, but we've got a pretty good product.